YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to download apps from another country's app store. So quickly to do this, make sure that you have a VPN running on your phone. So quickly, I'll choose this VPN, which is Secure VPN. Now quickly, I'll open it. The point to note is that, guys, most of these VPNs come with free ads. I mean, these ads, they play because you're using a free version. So if I close it like this, quickly, I'll choose a location. Now, let's say I want to download apps from United Kingdom. Choose a server for United Kingdom, click connect, and then click OK. Once I click OK, I'll have connected, and now virtually I'm in the United Kingdom. So right now I'll go over there and go to my Google Play Store and then download an application that runs from the United Kingdom. This is possible. I've literally changed my location as I've showed you. So quickly come to the search bar, then search for any app. For this case, I'll search for Uber UK. Once I search for Uber UK, then I'll load for the app to load, and quickly the app is here. Then I'll go ahead and install the app. Once I install the app, I'll then run it as if I'm a UK citizen. So guys, that is it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.